It was a case that stunned Northeast Ohio. It seemed like it might stay unsolved, a case that would never see the inside of a courtroom. But today, jurors found the mother of the baby boy dubbed Geauga's child guilty of his murder in 1993.
However, she was found not guilty of aggravated murder. News 5's Jesse Schultz breaks down the jury's verdict and the trial that's been decades in the making.
Investigators I spoke to, ones who remember the day in March of 1993 when that baby boy was found, said they never gave up hope that one day they would find who was responsible for his death. And now, 29 years later, here at the Geauga County Courthouse, they say justice has finally been served.
The charge of murder, the defendant finds the defendant guilty.
It's with that sentence that a decades-old mystery can be laid to rest.
And it's justice for the people in our county that were affected by this.
Geauga County Sheriff Scott Hildenbrand still remembers the day he found the baby boy's remains in the woods of Thompson Township. He had been placed in a trash bag and left there.
To this day, they still take care of that headstone at the cemetery.
But the case went cold until 2018 when familial DNA led investigators to Euclid woman Gail Eastwood Ritchie, the baby's mother.
We found out who the baby's mother was, and that we were bringing her to justice, and this just ends it because she did a horrible thing.
Investigators say at the time of her arrest, she admitted to giving birth to the baby, placing him in a bag and leaving him.
In criminal cases, we hold the government to the highest burden of proof we have, and that is beyond a reasonable doubt.
Michael Benza is a senior professor of law at Case Western Reserve. He says the amount of time that has passed since the baby's death can make it a tough case to try.
How do we know that this child was in fact born alive?
Defense argued just that her baby was not born alive. Therefore, she didn't kill him. But prosecutors say not only was he alive when Eastwood Ritchie ended his life, which would justify a murder conviction, but she planned to do it, which would be aggravated murder.
And so the jury's verdict in this case, by saying it was only a purposeful killing and rejecting the aggravated murder, the jury said that she did not have the plan ahead of time to kill the child.
A verdict Sheriff Hildenbrand has waited 29 years to hear.
And we're not going to give up. When we have cases like this, we've got great people that are going to investigate them until the conclusion.
The judge revoked Gail Eastwood Ritchie's bond and she was arrested shortly after that verdict was read. A sentencing date has not yet been set, but she could face anywhere from 15 years to life behind bars. Reporting in Geauga County, Jesse Schultz, News 5.